Good morning, everybody. We are here. Sorry about that. For some reason, the YouTube settings were not synced up with Streamlabs, but they're going good now, and we are rolling. We've got Dark Bro F-I-R-S-T first in the chat, baby. What's going on, Dark Bro? Lemon Lust, man. How you doing, Lemon Lust? We got Tony D, Dark Bro, Lemon Lust, Dark Bro, Nick F. Good morning to you, Peter. How you doing, D's? What's going on, Tony, Peter, and Dark Bro? All of you guys, thank you very much for being in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's happening today because Bitcoin is ripping higher. My goodness, Bitcoin is looking very good. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $4.53 today. Shiba Inu coin, $7.42. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Shiba Inu coin looking good, up 2% on the day today. GameStop sitting at $24.54, down just slightly, 0.18% lower. Bitcoin, oh my gosh, dude. Bitcoin tapping $30,000. Dude, Bitcoin don't care. Bitcoin is like a honey badger, man. Remember all those honey badger videos? The honey badger don't care. Oh man, Bitcoin don't care at all about you, SEC. It does not. Bitcoin ripping back up to levels we have not seen since April. Bitcoin tapping $30,000 once again, just blowing through resistance after resistance after resistance. Looking very good right now. It's been a solid week off 25,000, touching 29,000. We will run into some trouble here, but I'm telling you right now, if Bitcoin breaks it, dude, forget the SEC. Let's just say that. If Bitcoin breaks 30, forget the SEC. Now, the NASDAQ, on the other hand, the NASDAQ not faring so well. The NASDAQ down 1.16% on the day today. GameStop, like we say, $24.54. Dogecoin, 6.5 cents, looking solid. Ethereum, $18.53, looking solid. Shiba, $7.43. Sorry, looking good. We've got Bitcoin sitting at $29,874, looking amazing. Auto trying to bounce back a little bit, coming all the way back up to 21 cents from 15.5 cents. Dude, buy a put on Mullen right now. From 21 cents, it's probably going to give back this entire gain. Break the double bottom down here at 17 today. And hit a new all-time low by the time the afternoon stream comes around. So please, watch out for Mullen Auto. It looks nice right now, up 23% of the day, but still not even where it was just 2 days ago with that 23+% gain. Sundial sitting at $1.36. The SPY, $435. BBIG up $1.70. It's losing, man. BBIG is on its way down like Mullen Auto. A couple of months ago, guys, just in February, $17. Today, $1.70. 90% of its value wiped out in a couple months. And that's not including the price declines that we had prior to that. Going from $250 a share to $1.70. It has lost 99.9% of its value just in the last year. Highcroft Mining sitting at 31 cents. Netflix, $424. $362.50 on the QQQ. Ape sitting at $1.66. Losing some value today, guys. MPW, $8.98. Tesla, $263. Tesla on discount at $263. Ladies and gentlemen, I was touching $275 yesterday. $263 today. Not bad at all. Anovic sitting at $14.36. PID, $17.82. And Joby, $6.99. Man, Joby coming back down in discount mode. If you're anybody looking to pick up some shares of Joby, we're going to watch Bitcoin rip right through $30,000. Bitcoin might even be testing $35,000 by the end of the day today. It is an absolute inspiration, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to be watching that, and it is looking good. Christian Marquez, buenos dias to you as well. 35,000 Bitcoin today. Harris, man. I just reading your comment, man. Wasn't even reading your comment, and I'm saying 35,000 inbound. Let's go. Yo, what up? Been a while, but still the bro. Rock the bro shirt this past weekend, and must have had 5 people ask, oh, what's up with the bro shirt? Could be some potential new subs. Crypto Dreamer, that's what I'm talking about. I love it, dude. And appreciate anybody that does wear the bro shirts out there. You guys are absolute bros, man. Incredible. NATG, what do you got, Marvin? NATG, is that another crypto? Is that a stock you want to look at? What do we got? Class holding LUNC and USTC on Terra Station considered on-chain and qualify for the airdrop if that occurs. Felix Ricky Rivera, yes. So if you are holding your Terra Luna Classic, let's put it this way. Let me rephrase that, okay? They did say that there was going to be like 3 steps or 3 things that you'd have to go through if you did want to receive the airdrop for USTR if they end up going through with that proposal, right? This is just the discussion stages. We do not know if they're going to be creating a new stablecoin for the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. So let's put it this way. To answer your question, yes, that is on-chain. If you are not holding on Binance, if you're holding on a DeFi wallet anywhere, Terra Station would be considered a DeFi wallet. So yes, that would be considered on-chain. Now, you say, and qualified for airdrop if that occurs. That part, they did not elaborate like the 3 things that you would need to do or the vaults that you would need to open or whatever it is, the way that they worded it. They did not word that very clearly, and I believe that you would see some further details on that as the proposal progresses through its discussion stages and into its voting stages. So it's kind of a 2-parter there. Yes, it is on-chain, and then the second part, I don't necessarily know the answer to that. The proposal did say there was some, certain requirements that needed to be met. If that's all it is holding on chain, you'll be good. But, I don't know if they're going to require you to stake it. I don't know if they're going to require you to specifically hold it on Terra Station or Rebel Station or any of these other stations. Like that part, I am not fully aware of. So I cannot answer that one. But yes, it would be considered on chain. Not first, roulette wheel. Not first, you're not last. You're doing good, man. I was too busy playing Call of Duty. Roulette wheel, come on now. Okay, don't ever get too busy for the bros, man. Dude, Shiba is ripping. Crypto is ripping. Bitcoin is ripping. Guys, we're going to be testing. We are going to be rolling, dude. Look at this. This Bitcoin wants to creep up. Bitcoin wants to creep up, and it is getting ready to. It's like a whale that is just what is that? It's like when it's breaking the water surface. You're about to see the blowhole go, baby. Let's get that candle. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it, man. Things are looking very good right now. And I know if traders don't push this stupid thing back down, it is about to break this line right here. We'll just move this down instead of putting another line on. It's about to break this line. If they're, traders are trying to push it back down now. Come on, you guys. Don't push it back down. 007 M. James in the house, baby. 007, man. How you doing, M. James? Well, it's not been as long of a time as since your last break, since you did make an appearance here a couple of weeks ago. Appreciate you being in here again, man. I love it. Was my name not green no more? Harris, I guess. You didn't renew your green name, man. You're going to have to either win another one and get your own green name for yourself. I would love to wear a bro shirt, but I don't have one yet. How does D's not have a bro shirt? D's, how do you not have a bro shirt, man? What size do you wear? You don't have to tell me if you don't want to tell me, but I got smalls galore, okay? I actually am not sitting on any bro shirts that I can really give out right now, but I do have smalls galore if you wear a small shirt. I don't have any other sizes besides smalls, unless you wear women's clothing. Don't do that. Let's see here. What up, Clay? Hello, Clay. Hello, everyone that's here. Everyone else is slacking. Second time commenting. First one didn't work. Well, this one did, Chris, and I'm glad you did not just leave in disgust when your first one didn't work, that you came to hang out and you came to comment. Chris, what's going on, man? Surface tension. Ah, man, it's ridiculous, 007, isn't it? Funniest thing about this is the volatility. Either way, it can shoot up or down. It's a matter of minutes. Dark Bro, you are right on that one. And it's bouncing off. Oh, surface tension. Yeah, but I was talking about when he kind of like, like crescents above the water. When you got like a dolphin that comes up above, like not breaking the surface tension, but like when the whale kind of just surfaces for a minute there. Surfaces probably would have been the correct word to use, but I wanted to make it a verb. Morning, bros. What's going on? Neckbeard. Accept my friend request on Discord so I can message you about the hoodie. How are we not friends on the Discord? I could have swore that we would have Well, that's ridiculous. All right. Hopefully that's the right J-Bones and there's no fake J-Bones out there trying to friend request me. Because I followed you back and I sent you a hey, just so you know. What's up, bros? What's up, Clay? What's going on, Edwin? How you doing? No, small. It'll be a crop top on me. Well, that's actually, listen, I'm not just saying that because I don't want to send you a shirt. That's all I got right now. It's a box of small shirts, man. You guys are like the biggest, when I say you're the biggest bros ever, you really are, guys. You guys are like the biggest bros ever, man. Everybody in here wears like a 2X. You guys are all like 6'5", 280 pounds. It's absolutely insane, man. Yesterday, it was ex-dividend for PID, 16 cents on 30 shares, paying on Friday. Took $120 from the side hustle, bought 5 shares of SPHY. Bonds were lagging 2% behind. International positions must have balance. I love it, Frank. Dude, guys, Frank's gonna be cracking a $20,000 long-term retirement portfolio because of his side hustle in a minute here. Another way to get a $20,000 portfolio is just buy a Bitcoin. Look at this stupid thing. It's moving like crazy today, and here it comes back for a third test at this 30,000. Is it gonna break? Is it gonna break? Is it gonna break? Is it gonna break? It is going to break, man. I know it is. We had a little bit of a pullback here. Traders saying, "Uh-oh, can we break?" And they did not break 5 minutes ago. Reattempting it already. Bitcoin turning back up. Let's get it. Summertime is here. Yeah, guys, today is the first day of summer. Am I right? Today is the first day of summer. I think that's absolutely insane. I love summertime. What I want to see happen, though, are these stupid allergies leave, man. I have been just destroyed by allergies this year. It is absolutely insane. I've been miserable every day of the spring. I'd rather have snow than... And I would not rather have snow than allergies. That's actually not a true statement. I was going to say that, but that's a no-go. I would not rather have snow than allergies. I'd probably rather sneeze, but I have been feeling miserable with these allergies lately, and I do not like the fact that I just can't go outside and enjoy the day without sneezing like I'm ridiculous. Pictures D's or it didn't happen. Pictures D's or it didn't. Oh. Not wearing a small, is that what you're talking about? I'm gonna be rocking a Jazzy Jam and the Fresh Prince. There you go, Tony D. Heck yeah, that was me. Good deal, J-Bones. Hello, Clay, bro. How you doing today? Hey, George Lopez Garcia, man. You know, I am doing very well today. I am... look at Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. Dude, it's ridiculous. Oh, my gosh. Where are we going? I want to know. You guys are going to ask me all day today. They're going to be coming in here once we break 30,000 and start hitting recent highs. They're going to be rolling in here asking me. So I'm going to ask you guys right now, how high is Bitcoin going today? I am not going to continue on this live stream until I see numbers start rolling across the screen. Do we get caught at 30,000 and we turn around? It is about to rip. Do we go to 31, 32, 33, 34, 35? What are you guys looking at right now? Let me know because it is looking juicy, man. And we might, boom, be well on our way to that 36. You guys tell me right now how far we're ripping because I know people are going to start rolling in here when we break out of this line and things are going to be looking very good. Shiba might be on its way back to 800. Bitcoin could be looking at 36,000. Is this the bull market? Does crypto care about the SEC or is it literally just Gary Gensler, man? Look at these apples. How do you like these apples? And, showing it who's boss. Bitcoin is on fire. What do we got? We got 35,000, 31,200, we got 32,000, 18,000. Roulette wheel, you're going the wrong way. Tony D says 30,500. At least some of you guys are paying attention. Next level says 30,600. Good. I'm glad some of you guys are listening. I love summer. I like going to go for a long distance run. Very hard to do that in winter. Yes, it is, roulette wheel. Actually impossible to do that. It's actually very hard to do that with allergies as well. Allergies are the price we have to pay to enjoy for not freezing you. Yeah, it is true, Chris. That's what I'm saying, man. I'd rather have the decent weather with the allergies. But I'm telling you, the allergies have been beyond miserable this year. Beyond miserable, man. There's no way that I could do what you do, Chris. No way. I go outside. Like, I'll take a Claritin. I don't even know if it does anything. I can feel my throat scratching a little bit right now, and I haven't even been outside today. But I can go outside and try to enjoy the morning. And, dude, it is like literal kryptonite, man. It's like debilitating how bad the allergies are. It's horrible. Coach thoughts on the current events with Bitcoin. Seems like this past year been a whole setup so institutional money can get in at the floor. I 100% agree with you, actually. Tony D, man. I don't know if they necessarily care to foster innovation in crypto, but they have been beating it down wildly to let their buddies get in. Should be 11 months, but changed my name and somehow unsubscribed. Still fortunate enough to make a milestone. Let's get it, bros. Crypto Dreamer. Loving it, man. And thank you very much for the 6 months of bro. Thank you very much for grabbing that bro ape. Looking good, man. You guys are absolutely killing it. And appreciate anybody who's got a green name out there. Especially you guys that are rolling 6 months, a year, 2 years even. Some of you guys are turning 2 years old like J-Bones, baby. Old Rounder says 31,500. Right now is at 30,094, and it is looking good, George. Crypto Dreamer. Nice work, baby. Oh, yes, guys. I love you guys keeping those green names for as long as you do, man. Congrats, 35,000. Harris saying 35,000 a long time. What's up, bro? Ali, how you doing, man? Glad to have you in here. Christian says 32,000. I hate summer. Dark, bro. You don't hate summer. Come on now. You got to like summer a little bit. 81.25. It's going higher than 81.25. Come on now. 31,000 Ds. I like it, man. Holy ribbity skibbity doo dot day. Yes, Kalani. It is doing very well. What's up, bros? What's going on, Kenneth? How you doing, man? No guarantees, but you should try, what is this, quercetin? For those allergies. I don't even know if I've ever heard of that one, Old Rounder. I don't even know if I've ever heard. Roulette wheel! Oh, yeah. Hey, roulette, man. How's it going? Oh, yeah. Hey, roulette wheel, man. How's it going? Roulette wheel, I see you over there. How's it going? Hey, roulette. How's it going? Roulette, man, thank you very much for the super chat. How's it going, baby? I love it. It's going very, very good today. Very, very good, sir. Very, very good. Won't be on stream tomorrow. We'll be on my way to Wrigley Field for the Bailey Zimmerman and Morgan Wallen concert. Very nice, Frank. We're going to miss you, Frank. We actually will, man. We're going to miss you. Please know that you will be missed. Tomorrow is, what, a Thursday? It's all right. You got another day this week, so good deal. Frank, thank you for letting us know in advance so nobody's like, wait, where's Frank at? But we'll be able to know that, and, ooh, I got to turn the volume up a little bit. All right. Volume turned up. I just heard Roulette Wheels chat come over, but the volume is very low. Frank, thank you very much for letting us know there. And I hear you, Dark Bro. Perfect temperature is 65. No. Perfect temperature is probably like 78. If you don't have the sun out, I mean, if it's like cloudy, come on, dude. We know that 79, 80, 81 is pretty good when it's a cloudy day. But sunshine, I'm saying like 75 and sunny, that's a nice day. If you've got, oh my God, Bitcoin is looking so good. Like 76, 77, that's a nice temperature. Bitcoin is ripping right now. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is, you guys might be right. Bitcoin keeps throwing these extremely bullish candles out there, continues to hit higher highs all day long today. Absolutely ripping. And yes, dude, if we get through, I know I moved this line down a little bit, but let's bring it back over here to the tops of these bodies. If Bitcoin's able to break 30,600 today, I mean, we are potentially going to be testing 36,000. It was not able to do it back here in April. And it pulled back significantly, back to recently, just last week, 25,000. But in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, we have ripped from 24,700 to 30,200. Bitcoin is a menace, and it is on a mission. Bitcoin is ripping to recent highs. Let's go, man. It is looking way too good. Luke update, bro. Yeah, Caesar. So there's actually a lot going on with Terra Luna Classic right now. We've got some new proposals out there for USTR. They're currently in the discussion phase. USTR would be a new stable coin, and it's going to be in addition to USTC. So it's not going to overtake USTC, but would be something that they can continue, or that they could begin to work on in addition to repegging USTC. On top of that, man, I'm going to break it down in a video a little bit later today, but we've got some revisions to the Layer 1 development team. Guys, I don't know who this Superman guy is, but it does beg the question. Is his work really worth $33,000 over the course? It's actually $36,000 or $37,000 over the course of the third quarter. He wants $12,500 a month, and there's basically no increments in what the Layer 1 development team is going to be doing. We are simply going to be paying somebody else. So they're not really proposing that they get any additional work done, but we're going to be paying somebody $12,500 a month to just be added to the Layer 1 team. I really am thinking about doing a proposal where I ask for $12,500 a month to continue doing Terra Luna Classic videos. I think that that's absurd, right? I think that that's obscene. But I also think that if these guys can go out and work part-time with nobody checking their hours and nobody checking their work and get paid $12,500 in order to do so, I mean, hey, man, at least we're doing something here and keeping the community up to date on what's going on with Terra Luna Classic. So if they get that proposal passed, man, and they're ripping $133,000 a quarter, in addition to the $36,000 a quarter that the Terra Rebels are getting, in addition to the $40,000 or $60,000 a quarter that the quantitative analysts want, the Terra Luna Classic community pool is going to be drained by probably, I don't know, November. We won't have any money in it, and everybody's going to leave. So it's gonna get pretty ridiculous out there. Bitcoin breaks 35,000 this week. It will change the market. Ali, I actually agree with you, man. It's looking very strong right now. And yeah, if we start to hit some major levels, 35 is a good one, but I'm looking actually at 36 there. If we start to hit those levels, I do think people's sentiment is going to change. They always love to buy as things are ripping higher. Let's see. Big predictions on Mullen. 178 to 573 by Big Financial Services release of the Class 2 truck in July. Kenneth, you're not talking stock price, right? You're not talking stock price. Are you? What are we talking there? There's no way you're talking $573 stock price unless they 1 for 1,000 reverse split. After the drama we saw last month, I believe now's the time to start on the way to 100,000. Ali, man, let's get it. Sarah Deste, 50 Shades of Green. Good afternoon / evening to you, Sarah. Glad to have you in here witnessing Bitcoin ripping right now. Guys, the recent high. Is it 30,600? Is that where we're at on the recent high here? My goodness, how far back did we go? All right, 31,043 was the top of this wick right here. We are getting ready to test this 30,600 where we've currently got this line. Bitcoin showing mammoth strength right now. Look, it could absolutely turn around, okay? We've tested these waters before and got rejected pretty nicely. But Bitcoin is looking phenomenal right now. And sitting at 30,400, we could be, right, getting ready to shift sentiment. So if you guys have made it through, oh my gosh, looking good so far. But please don't forget, None of these centralized exchanges here in the United States are on good terms with the SEC right now. Toot my own horn from last week. Remember what I said? Wouldn't fall below 25. Oh, yeah, Samir, man. I was thinking about you this morning, dude. I definitely remember what you said last week. And, yeah, you were right, dude. We tested 24,007 or 24,800. Bounced right off of that and is ripping right now. Looking very good. Click the thumbs up, everybody. Please listen to Sarah and click that thumbs up. I thought Sauron was... I thought you Sauron was taking over Lunk. I don't even know. Fashionably late, but at least I'm here. Hello, everybody. What's going on, DD214? I was like, oh, well, we're screwed now. What is Sauron? I don't even know. I dollar cost average down to 16 cents on Mon and took my shares up to 11,235. Very nice, Kenneth. There it is, right there. There's your break, guys. There's your break. Bitcoin ripping right now. Guys, look at this candle right here. Bitcoin going from 30,460 to 30,700 in a 1 minute candle. Bitcoin is catching on fire. Let the rocket blast off, man. This is beautiful news. Bitcoin, amazing bottom left to upper right hand graph. Bitcoin taking off in a very big way. Shiba Inu coin following. Dogecoin is following. Ethereum is following. Things are looking very good right now for cryptocurrency with Bitcoin ripping to recent highs. If we get a couple $100 more, we are going to test levels that we have not seen since... Oh boy, when was the last time we were at $31,000, man? June, 1 year ago today, we were trading in this range right here with Wix back up to 32,000. If we're able to break 32,000, I mean, we're going to be back in the $40,000 range on Bitcoin, guys. We're going to be testing levels near this $40,000 range. This is incredible to see Bitcoin performing like this right now. $30,764. Bitcoin is looking beautifully bullish at the moment. Speech text, I was saying, I thought you said Sauron was taking over Lunk from the Dark Lord from the Lord of the Rings. Oh, that I did not say, man, but that would have been funny, yes. Rockets in the chat. It's looking amazing right now. Made it through the most beautiful most brutal, not beautiful, crypto bear market. We were insane enough to hold this insane market. We are true. What does MF stand for, man? What is it? I don't know what that stands for. It is looking good right now. Hey, Lord of the Rings reference. Also, ARR still look all right. ARR actually still looks pretty good. Rocket's here. I don't think Rocket is in here right now. ARR, it is on my watch list. I was looking at it this morning around $5.20. I don't know, where's it at today? Yeah, $5.26. Look, man, the volume isn't necessarily very high on ARR, so you do have this type of barcoding that takes place on it. But you can see that the trend since 2021 here has been down, but that's because interest rates have been trending higher since the end of 2021. So, you see this sort of a decline, but it coincides perfectly with an increase in interest rates. Interest rates are going to be ARR's largest expense. So the thing is, okay, you want to watch out because Jerome Powell has said that we have 2 more interest rate hikes by the end of the year. And I do believe that those 2 interest rate hikes could correspond with another decline in ARR. So how far of a decline do you actually see? That's the major question. Because right now, over a 6-month period, an 18% annualized dividend return could make up for any of the losses that you see, any of the decline that you see. And if you're able to buy that dip, you could even be in a bigger or better opportunity or better position because of that. So the dividend's still looking very solid right now. 18% annualized dividend is crazy. But you want to watch out for those 2 additional interest rate hikes that Jerome Powell has basically guaranteed that we will see before the end of the year. A master of finance, Lemon Lust. We are masters of finance, baby. We are the MFs, masters of finance. Lemon Lust, you got me on that one, man. I like it. I might use it. Absolutely, Samir. Heck yeah, man. Tell me what you think about Ape and AMC. McNuggets McNeil, man. Right now, okay, you guys might, if you're still on a squeeze play, you might not like this, but I think one of the best opportunities that AMC has at the moment is for covered calls and puts. If you're looking at generating some income, AMC is phenomenal in terms of what people are willing to pay for covered calls and cash secured puts. I'll just give you an example. You're still making over 1%. It might be slightly lower. It was almost at 2%. Just for this Friday on the $5 strike, if you're selling covered calls on AMC. So we'll look at that really quick. I was looking at them this morning, and I'm trying to convince myself that it's a good opportunity to do it, and I might go, full force into it there. But if you're looking at AMC, the graph, man, I'm not convinced that AMC is going to short squeeze unless Adam Aaron does not get his conversion of Ape shares. Then I'd be a little bit more optimistic on a squeeze and so on. But if you're looking at AMC, man, it is setting up a very nice bottom in this area around $4.50. Okay, you can hold it down to $3.70, $4 and so on. Why? Because, dude, you can generate some phenomenal options income. I mean, look at this. You get in at $4.50, you're already guaranteeing yourself 1% for just this Friday. And you're guaranteeing yourself, if you do get called away, a 10% gain. So you're guaranteeing yourself a 10% capital gain. You're guaranteeing yourself 1% income based on selling these $5 strike cover calls. If you go out a week, dude, it's 5% that you're looking at here. That's a little bit lower now. It's 5% this morning. 4% is what you're looking at right now. You could go out there, buy these $4.50 shares. You could sell the $5 strike for next Friday, guaranteeing yourself that 10% capital gain and guaranteeing yourself another 4% in options income. I mean, dude, that's crazy. If you want to go a week out, you're making a month out, sorry, you're making 10+% by going a month out right here. You're getting these shares at $4.50 and you're selling immediately 42 cents. That's not even going in there and trying to get an offer at 46 cents. You're immediately grabbing 42 cents on per share, selling those $5 strikes a month out. Because of AMC's continued popularity, because of AMC's volatility, it is the options income is still beautiful where we are today. Me personally, I think that that's the opportunity right now. If things calm down in the court case a little bit and Adam Aaron doesn't dilute shareholders anymore, I do think that AMC could do well long term. I'm still skeptical on a squeeze at this point, but I do think it's got a lot of opportunity there. All right, I think I might have missed something. What just came on the screen? What did I miss there? Oh, Mr. Fatih, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. Absolutely appreciate that. Let's see what we got. 23 likes and 50 people in here. Hit the like button for the chipmunks, man. Listen to JB, guys. Smash that like button, please. Bitcoin play is as a big major on the market. So hitting 60 by ending July, that 100% we will. So a lot of crypto will run higher, like Luna Classic and others. Ali, I don't know if we're going to get a 50% increase in Bitcoin by the end of July. If we did, dude, I would be speechless like I am right now. I highly doubt that we double in price in the next 6 weeks, but if we do, man, people are going to be very happy across the board. Let's see. So pretty much just have patience. Gotcha. Chris, patience beats everything else in the market, right? But if we're still talking about ARR, I do think that you can begin adding shares of ARR if you would like, because you most likely will see a decline with the interest rate hikes that come throughout the rest of the year, but you're going to be receiving dividends, I think, on a monthly basis with ARR, right? You're going to be receiving dividends that could absolutely make up for that loss there, and it's going to give you that opportunity to be a long-term holder much quicker. So if you wait 6 months to see what the Fed's going to do, you could already be 6 months closer to a long-term capital gain, as opposed to simply sitting and waiting and then having to wait another 6 months for your long-term capital gain to come. Roulette wheel! Thank you very much for the super chat. You're amazing! You're amazing! You're amazing! You're amazing! Roulette wheel is amazing! Roulette wheel, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. You know that was a good one right there. My boy can dance, and so can I. Roulette wheel, thank you very, very much for the super chat. If you guys aren't up, if you guys aren't dancing, I don't know what you're doing right now, because we actually have some good signs in the crypto market. All right, hold on. I got to calm down after that one. Anybody give me some authorized hydration on that, or do I have to authorize it myself? Because roulette wheels, you're amazing, dance. It takes it out of you. Roulette wheel, thank you very much for that, dance. Absolutely appreciate the super chat, dude. Thank you very much for celebrating Bitcoin, hitting some recent highs here, and keeping this bull market activity going. How many chipmunks do you get if we hit the like button? Oh, do we get? Okay, listen, I'm not going to give you any of my chipmunks, but I've got 7 of them that I can show you. I can give you 7 different chipmunk videos if you guys would like. Let's see. Michael Saylor is making bank right now. Yes. Does anybody know if Tesla still has their Bitcoin? Because if they do, Tesla is doing very well right now as well. His break even is 30,000. His break even is 30,000. He's got to be feeling pretty good that he's back above his break even at 30,500. But he's right on the verge. He's right on the verge of this breakout right here, man. Like, if we can bust this level at 30,600, if we can get back above, boom, just breaking through this little level of resistance right here, Bitcoin could rocket another 20% to 36,000. And I am telling you, if Bitcoin posts a 20 to 30% daily gain, people are going to be flipping, and the SEC is going to be crying. Not much meat on a chipmunk, there is not, Kai, and I would not recommend eating my chipmunk, please. There's probably a little bit more meat on my chipmunks because these dudes never go hungry. They eat seeds all day long. Those are old numbers. I'm sure he dollar cost averaged a lot more. Tony, it is possible, but, I don't know. I mean, when it comes to guys like that already have millions of dollars invested, it may be very difficult to dollar cost average anymore and substantially bring your averages down there. My gosh, man, roulette wheel. I'm still saying thank you for that super chat right there. Hopefully, because I don't even see you in the chat right now, hopefully you saw that dance roulette wheel. Come on now. Hello. What do you think? In 2025, 2030, Pepe will hit 8 cents. That is a very interesting price target for Pepe, 8 cents. I do not know why you would want 8 cents. I'm going to say no, though, okay? It's not going to happen in 2025. 8 cents on Pepe, dude. 8 cents would probably be near $100 trillion valuation. So that's not going to happen. And I don't know if they have any plans on actually burning Pepe. So if you ever want to get to 8 cents on Pepe, you are going to need to see massive, like 99% burns. And if there's currently no burn initiatives, you're not going to get to a $100 trillion valuation. So I would readjust that price target unless, of course, they come out with some wild burn initiatives. I didn't see it, but I heard it working outside. A roulette wheel. You're amazing. You're amazing. A roulette wheel. That is what it was, but it was like 5 times longer and exhausting. Roulette, thank you once again for the super chat, man. And hopefully you saw that little rendition of it there. You made everybody else smile except for Kai. Kai does not like to smile. Kai likes to walk around with a frown on his face thinking about eating my chipmunks. Let's see. How about Shiba? Shiba's still not going to hit 8 cents unless Shiba Inu coin burns massive amounts as well. Remember, Shiba Inu coin and Pepe have basically the same supply. I think Pepe's is around 420 trillion, and Shiba Inu coins is at 550 trillion. So that's an amazing dance. Yes, it is, roulette wheel. Yes, inspired by you, my friend. So Shiba Inu coin still needs to burn 99% of its value in order to reach those levels as well. All right, what do we got here? I heard about some projects and Edward. Oh, well, manager, if that's the case, then, if they're able to burn a lot, then Pepe could do very well, yes. They laughed at us for buying the dips, but we kept buying the dips and dollar cost average. We will laugh at the end. No, Samir, we really will, man. And the thing is that I want you to remind everybody, okay? You will laugh in the end. Like, if you make it through, historically speaking, if you held through and were able to stack up during bull markets, and I'm not saying I'm excited today. Yes, I think you guys are excited today. I'm not saying that this is the absolute beginning and we're not going to see further hardship. But historically speaking, every bull market has preceded a bear market and proceeded, right? Has come after a bear market. And anybody who was willing to stack up during that bear market had phenomenal 5, 10, 15, 20, 50, 100x gains on the other side. If that is going to be you, right? Don't rip on the guy who didn't make it. Try to build others up. You will absolutely have opportunity that people dream of. So use it wisely. Don't squander it. And don't make a bad name for yourself. Remember what it took to get there and encourage others to do the same. Do not laugh at them. Laugh with them, man. Bitcoin past 31,000. Yeah, man. Bitcoin on Webull showing 30,799. Bitcoin on another platform absolutely may have passed $31,000. 30,799 is what it tapped on. What it tapped on Webull there. If we go out to CoinMarketCap, where can we see Bitcoin on CoinMarketCap? With average prices, Bitcoin, the daily high on CoinMarketCap still shows 30,737. So Bitcoin right around there. It probably does depend on what platform you're looking at, but right at that 31,000 mark. Could you see Levi is backtracked with Blaze and going to start burning Shib again? No, I did not see that, but it makes perfect sense, dude. He's getting his volume because of helping the Shiba Inu coin community. I thought he would have moved on to another coin, but let's be very, very careful of just jumping back on board and helping somebody who turned their back on you so quickly. We should get a bro burn token going out there and just let it burn a Shiba Inu coin forever. Stopping in to say hello and smash that like button if you haven't. Thank you very much, Pika. Hello to you as well. Everybody that you're training right now. I don't know if you're in the bathroom just listening, if you walked away from these people for a minute, if they're standing right next to you or what the deal is, but hello everybody that Pika is helping out today. Pika's an absolute star. Listen to her and you're in good hands. Absolutely. Pika, thank you very much for being in here. Let's see. Come on, right here. Hey, Pika. Hello, Pika. Oh, yes. Okay, bro. I will work to help others to make it, like you are doing right now. We will grow this industry with no survivors. Samir, I love it, dude. Yes, man. Dude, Samir's excitement is contagious and very good. Dude, please motivate as many people as you can and encourage as many people as you can. Lift them up every chance you get. Never laugh at them. Always laugh with them, dude. Because now, And like I say, this may not be the end of the bear and beginning of the bull. We might still have to go through some hardships. But, dude, you are going to have the experience. You are going to know exactly what it takes to come out the other side and to be on top. And you will be able to translate that to anybody and everybody who is willing to listen. Let's see, been a KuCoin and Binance researching how to do some bots. Still not sure how to get started. Been on the bot sidelines past month and don't feel like I know enough yet. Yeah, Tony D, man. Bots in their most simplest form are very simple. So you go, you set up a bot. You say you want your midpoint to be 30,600, right where this line's at on Bitcoin there. And then when you say you want it to set up 10 trades or whatever, it goes in there and it puts up 10 trades, maybe 5 to the downside. And then it puts up 5 to the upside on your trading point. And then when Bitcoin goes up, it triggers a sell. When Bitcoin taps a buy, comes back up, hits a sell, hits a sell, hits a sell, hits a sell, taps a buy, and it basically puts up a grid. Anytime it bounces down through one of these lines, it buys some Bitcoin. Anytime it bounces back up, it sells some Bitcoin. So the further it goes down, the more Bitcoin you buy. The further it goes up, the more Bitcoin you sell. So it basically sets up a grid, so it automatically taps your buys and sells all day long based on your range that you put in there. Now I got to delete all these lines, but that's basically what grid bots or spot trading bots do when you set up a grid like that. Is it puts 10, 50, 100, whatever you want lines on the screen, and when it goes down, it buys at each one of those grid levels. When it goes up, it sells at each one of those grid levels. So, I mean, it is pretty simple, but dude, don't do it unless you feel comfortable with it. Thanks, Clay. I try to make them all bros. There you go, Pika. Love it, and have fun training them. They're probably pretty nervous. Pika, tell the trainees to join the channel for extra brownie points. Oh, yes, Pika. Convert them to the brohood. That's what I'm talking about. Can we laugh at Gary Gensler? Lemon Lust. You can laugh at Gary Gensler if you want, man. I would think it's better to just straight ignore Gary Gensler and walk away and never think about that guy again. Right now, Bitcoin is laughing at Gary Gensler. I mean, it is straight up. Bitcoin ripping to these levels is laughing at Gary Gensler. Bitcoin does not care what the SEC is doing. Okay, it does not care what the SEC is doing at all. It continues to move higher. So that's kind of like Bitcoin's doing the work for you. I'm gonna try and take the higher road and just ignore Gary Gensler when cryptocurrency is ripping during the next bull market, and we'll say, sorry, Gary, you should have joined in. And he'll say, well, you know what, Clay bro, I did. I bought the entire time. I was bashing the market because I knew we would change our minds and I knew we would make crypto legal. Clay opened a large Bitcoin long on May 7th, 28.8. Held on to it this whole time. Old rounder, man. Old rounder. Beautiful. Please watch out for where we are, though, okay? This line on the chart right now, I didn't put this line on there today, and we are getting a little bit of a rejection off of this line right now, as you can see, okay? 30,006 is basically where this line was. But as you can see, if you come in on the daily chart, you can see that, boom, this is the level that we attempted back in April. We were unsuccessful at breaking through it. This is right around that $30,000 mark and is also indicated by this time back here in May of 2022 at the upper end of all of these candles. So it is a very strong level of resistance. You've got a choice to make, man. If we break through, I do believe you could see a beautiful rip higher, okay? You could tempt yourself with that very, very nice 20+% potential gain in Bitcoin if we break this little level right here. If we get rejected, I do think you're coming right back down to the 29,000 or 28.8 where you would have opened that position up. So please keep that in mind, man, and don't give up your profit, okay? Just don't give up your profit. You never want to see a winning trade turn into a losing trade. And I can't tell you how much to take. Some people that have done very well in the stock market have told me never give up more than 50% of your profit, okay? Never lose more than 1% of your entire portfolio on a single trade, and never give up more than 50% of your profit. So if you're currently up 10%, don't let it fall back down below 5%. If you're currently up 20%, don't let it fall back down below a 10% gain. Don't give up more than 50% of your profit. Sit there and use that as a stop loss or a take profit line, and think about it that way. It's nice to just watch the portfolio grow. Enjoy it, bros. Johan, it is beautiful, man. Oh my gosh. Gains instead of losses is something to celebrate. Wait, does Reddit still hate you? 007. Yeah, as far as I know, man, it's like a perpetual hate that will probably never go away. JB was kind enough to send over in the Discord everybody on Reddit bashing me. I had forgotten about it, right? It was kind of one of those scars and one of those memories that you just repress and you kind of move on, never to think about it again. Well, JB on my birthday so kindly sent over the link to the AMC Reddit last month now. It was on my birthday that he sent that over. And I am telling you, dude, it was like, you know how, oh gosh, is it Jimmy Kimmel or is it Jimmy Fallon? I don't know which one it is that does the mean tweets. Dude, it was like sitting there and just getting ripped all over again. So yeah, at 007, man, I am 100% convinced that those guys definitely still hate me with a beautiful passion. And I don't think so. But for some reason, those guys think that I've got the most punchable face on the internet. It's ridiculous, man. Why would anybody want to punch my face? That doesn't make any sense to me. So yes, I think that Reddit does still hate me. I don't know why, but I think they do. I want to see Cardano, Ape, and Matic laugh at Gensler. Let's go. Next level. Loaded up on Matic, Ape, and Cardano there. So win $50 Lunk. Very soon, Dark Bro. Soon $50. Nah, man. $50 Terra Luna Classic is going to be crazy. We would have to reduce the supply drastically to see $50 Lunk. We got the friendly green giant there. The, golly bum, man. The JB, I don't know what that one is. The Federal Aviation Administration, we've got them all, man. We've got them all. Just broke back down under 31,000 Bitcoin. Let's go. Yes, Lonnie, it's pulling back a little bit, but this could just be a little bit of a springboard. Investors taking a breath, gearing up for the next rally and potentially the next breakout. Look, we could come back for the afternoon live stream. Bitcoin could be back down to 29,000. All right, we might not be as excited as we are now. We could come back and sit at 36,000. People are writing articles about it all day long today. You got Kramer out there. Buy Bitcoin. I told you guys to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin's the best buy ever. You know, we don't know what's going to happen throughout the course of the day. So this could be a very, very good opportunity setting up. Bitcoin's pumping, but I have bagged Ethereum. Well, you know what? Yashua Rafik, man. Ethereum is still a very good one, and Ethereum is also following Bitcoin. So the overall cryptocurrency market working in tandem today. It is bouncing off and getting rejected off of this level of resistance. We kind of expected something to happen here. It was either going to be a very large breakout or it was going to be a rejection there. We're currently getting a small rejection. We'll have to see if traders are able to reassemble and drive the price of Bitcoin even higher now. So I found you, buddy. But you know what, 007? What I'm saying right now? M. James, it was worth it. The world could rip me, but if it brought two bros together, it was worth it. No, M. James, man, you're an OG. I'm very glad that that's how you found me. And, dude, listen, you put yourself out on the internet. The internet loves to troll, man. It's part of the game, right? It's part of the game. Some people, they're very, very funny with it, okay? Some people are just idiots. Some people are very, very funny with it. And I actually appreciate the funnier trolls, right? If that's what you're going to do and that's what you like to do, man, don't necessarily rip somebody down. But, dude, you can make fun of somebody and joke and make it funny, right? I mean, some people are actually really talented at that. So, yeah, dude, if you find yourself as an internet troll, do it with a kind heart and at least put some effort into it. Don't just say, this is the ugliest dude on the internet and I have no idea how stupid this guy is. Every time he opens his mouth, it makes me vomit. Like, that's just kind of like, no, man, that's too harsh. At least make it funny. Gotta go. Bye, everybody. Sarah S70 says green. So glad to have you in here, and hopefully you come back during the afternoon live stream. Have a good evening, Sarah. Please do 1 year brotherhood with Claire, bro. I like it. Samir, man. And you know what, Samir? I hope it is much more than 1 year, man. I hope it's much more than 1 year. I hope it's decades to come. Because here's the thing, guys. You know, this next bull market, it's not an opportunity to just stop. It's never, that's the thing about investing. There's never like the opportunity just to get out. It's kind of like the mafia, right? If you get in, very good luck getting out. I mean, look at John Wick, for example. Even he can't get out. Now he's fighting for his life every chance he gets. So, fortunately or unfortunately, however you want to look at it, it's not the opportunity to just go in, cash out, and walk away forever. This next bear, the ending of the bear market and the beginning of the bull market is going to lead to massive growth, massive opportunity, absolutely. But it will, I mean, if you're historically speaking, 100% of the time, we have seen every bull market followed up by a bear market, and every bear market followed up by a bull market. So when the next bull market is in full swing, do not be afraid to take some profits, absolutely, but it's not necessarily time to walk away. The market is cyclical. That bull market will be followed by a bear market, providing massive profit potential again. All we've got to do is play that game. All we've got to do is cycle with the market. And I am telling you right now, it will lead to ridiculous wealth. All right, guys, if Loon Kit's 10 cents, I'll be able to chill and hang up my paintbrush. Tony D, that's what I'm talking about, man. I got to go. See you guys this afternoon. Absolutely. Found you during the Luna crash. It has been great so far. We'll keep being a bro. Samir, man, I love it, dude. Guys, it is 1 o'clock, so we're going to get off here for now. But what do we got? We've got a lot to look forward to by the afternoon live stream. Bitcoin could absolutely be breaking back up above this 30,600 level. We might be pulling back down to 29,000. We're right here in no man's land right now, waiting to see what happens. So definitely come back for the afternoon live stream, and we'll be checking it out together. Right now, guys, get your names in the chat. We're going to do some shout-outs, and we will be back. You saying the market goes up and down? Ooh, don't tell everybody, but yes. Sometimes the market goes up. Sometimes the market goes down. Guys, we're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon. Appreciate everybody for being in here. Enjoy all of it. You guys kept the chat rolling and going very, very fast today. This live stream absolutely blew by. Let's do these shout-outs. We'll come back later, man. Lonnie, see you later. We've got 007 M. James. Enjoy it, man. Yashua, see you later. Kai, boom. Fist bump to you, baby. Sarah Desta, 50 Shades of Green. Enjoy your evening. We've got Dark Bro, Samir, man. Tony D, see you later. Julian Alsman, see you later. Enjoy your afternoon. Next level, Dark Bro, man. Samir, enjoy it. Lemon Lust, peace out to you. I said peach out to you, baby. M. James, see you later, man. Enjoy your morning / afternoon. Tony D, DD214, Old Rounder, Brandon, enjoy it. Dark Bro, man. Toodles to you, Kai, 007, see you later. Next level, enjoy it. Mr. Brian, Samir, D's, enjoy your afternoon, enjoy your lunch, enjoy your work, whatever you guys got going on today. Johan, have a great day as well. Samir, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me. Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.